Applying eyeshadow is really simple if you have the right knowledge. But when you do not know how to apply it rightly, you might not get the desired look. Here are some tips for applying eyeshadow perfectly. Required: concealer, skin tone powder, eyeliner, eyelashes, brushes. Step 1: remove the unwanted hairs from the brow with a thread. Make sure all the unnecessary hairs are removed from the brow that may create an obstacle to the eyeshadow. Step 2: in this part, apply some concealer on your eye. Blend in rightly and better use fingers or a fluffy brush to blend it. Step 3: apply some skin tone powder and blend it again. It will help hide the concealers and make a natural look. Step 4: take a shadow. Apply it on the crease properly. And blend it with the right brush. Step 5: take some light shadow and apply it in the middle of your eyelid. Blend it with the brush. It will intensify the look. Step 6: apply a darker shadow on the outer corner of the eye. Step 7: now blend the eyeshadows that you applied. Use a fluffy brush to make the blend. Step 8: take another color from the palette if you want and blend it together with the former eyeshadows. Blend. It will intensify the shadow. Step 9: add another layer on the one you just blended. It will increase the intensity and give a better look. Blend the shadow with the brow bone too to get the natural look. Step 10: apply the eyeliner and add the lashes. You can alternatively add some mascara too. Following the simple 10 steps, you will get a natural eye makeup. Remember one thing: hold the brush from its starting and it will help you cover a larger area on the eyelid. Subscribe for more updates.